Hi, this is Bryan Anderson, CEO of Simple Estimate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the company settings, specifically the branding functionality and the logo that's going to show up on your quote. And there's a couple different options, and we're continuing to iterate on this. It's going to get better in the future, but this is the current state of where it is. So if you want to include a company logo on the quotes that you share with customers, all you have to do is navigate to the company page, go into company settings, and load a logo in there. And you can size the logo whichever size you want. It's going to center at the top of your quotes. And then if you set a company color, so let's say, for example, I want this to be orange, and I'm just going to save this here. Once I come back into an estimate and I go here and share, it's going to show using that company color. Now, the caveat to that is that it won't pull the colors that you select when you have that company color set in the settings. So any of these that are set, it's going to override it with that company setting of the color. But if you come back and you decide that you don't want every estimate to look like that, and you want the colors for the sections, you just delete that and resave it. And then when you come back in and look at a share, it's going to use the colors that you selected inside of the estimate. So that's the colors right there that are currently available. We're going to work on adding theming and branding improvements, but that's the current state of Simple Estimate today. That's how you build branded and on theme quotes for your customers. Thank you very much.